Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best car horns in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best car horns that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Carphone vintage horn. You know that auga sound? The one that takes you right back to the classic cars of the 1920s, though we're not sure if they even actually used horns back then. This horn recreates that sound, bringing back those old memories with a modern 12-volt format. With a chrome finish, it looks the right amount of vintage for old cars, and, more importantly, it's loud. This car horn delivers 110 decibels with a 490 Hz sound, and it will take everyone around you back to the days of classic motoring. All without you needing to squeeze a bellows, turn a crank, or figure out how to make an ancient 6-volt horn work with a modern car battery. Constructed from ABS and aluminum, this option comes with a mounting bolt and 2 connecting terminals for easy installation and setup, letting you get back on the road quickly, even if you're driving slowly. This is the ideal car horn for those who want something truly unique. Moving on at number 4. We have the Hella 011225841 Black 12 volts BX Trumpet Horn Kit. Hella's 011225841 features specific connectors for Volkswagen and Audi vehicles from the year 2001 to 2013. The kit includes low 400 Hz and high 500 Hz tone horns that are OE quality for these specific car brands. These 2 trumpet horns produce a dual-tone sound that is audible both near and far, with a sound level in the range of 105 to 118 decibels. This is just about within the road legal limit and delivers a fully harmonious sound with a wide emission. An M8 screw horn bracket is built in for easy installation, and with this, you can mount the horn either vertically or horizontally. You also get a corrosion-resistant coat and a Teflon pill to protect against humidity and optimize the sound funnel. The only problem is that this will not fit your vehicle if it is newer than the 2013 model or older than the 2001 model. At number 3, we have the Gampro 12 volts 150 decibels air horn. With its high-quality chrome-plated zinc trumpet horn, Gampro's DGCBL has a durable rust-free design that can withstand the elements. The compressor is not left behind because it is newly upgraded with an all-copper coil and a vacuum chrome plating, which also gives you a fast responsibility. As for the relay kit, it has a no-break design and is easy to install. Overall, the whole setup fits any 12 volts vehicle, including trucks, RVs, SUVs, yachts, tractors, etc. You can also use it on a motorcycle, but the long trumpet might not be a good fit. It is quite long. On the bright side, the horn is very loud because it produces 150 decibels. This cannot be ignored on the road. At number 2, we have the Zento Deals 12 volts single trumpet air horn. The Zento Deals EH6 is an economical car horn because it is very reasonably priced, yet, is very loud. Its highest output is 150 decibels, which makes it one of the loudest car horn upgrades on the market. That said, this model is ideal for those who operate boats, trains, trucks, and other large vehicles because it is quite large. The setup consists of a single trumpet air horn and a compressor as the main components, plus a hose to connect the 2 and mounting hardware. However, despite all this power, the unit only needs 12 volts DC, which makes it highly compatible with most vehicles. The horn is built using premium quality materials for maximum strength and durability, and these also make it tough enough to withstand any weather. This is coated using an aesthetic shiny chrome finish. However, such a loud sound might not be legal in most states, and the horn is too large to fit in small cars or motorcycles. And finally at number 1. We have the Hella Supertone 12 volts high-tone, low-tone twin horn kit. Hella's 0033999801 is characterized by an aesthetic design that gives a distinctive and stylish look. This is made possible by a black-coated metal body with a red protective outer grille. There are also other colors to choose from, which are full black and black, yellow. That said, the product comes as a pack of 2, a low-tone and high-tone horn. The low 300 Hz and high 500 Hz tones produce a piercing sound that will allow you to be heard clearly by other road users. This is spread more evenly to create a powerful and balanced 118 decibels honk. Due to its compact size, you will have no problem installing this unit in tight areas. Therefore, this model is an excellent choice for those who drive a small car or a motorcycle. Installing the two pieces is easy because a relay, 2 mounting brackets, and mounting instructions are part of the set. However, its terminals are flimsy. As such, you need to be very gentle when installing the relay system. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.